Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on the settings we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the quick settings. At the last position here we have the scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can turn this off and turn it on like that. And this is how it works. And of course I suggest you to keep this turnet on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device, so you don't need any other app to do it. You can do it by just using your camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.